Good morning, Brian. This is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. You'd expressed some interest in a pre-owned Toyota Camry, so I thought I'd come out and just shoot you a quick video of my pre-owned inventory. I know you said you wanted to get pre-approved prior to coming down and taking a look at any vehicle, so wanted to just shoot you a quick video of what I have. I've got lots of pre-owned vehicles that are really great shape, great condition. They do go through a very extensive inspection in order for us to basically put these vehicles out for resale. They do go through a 60-point inspection, and if it doesn't pass any of the inspections, we do fix or basically make them pass the inspection. And if you decide to go with a certified pre-owned vehicle, those go through a 160-point inspection, and they do also come with a warranty as well. So please let me know how I can assist you. If you'd like to go ahead and put in that credit application, I'd be happy to send you over the link. Just reach out to me. My number here is 321-254-8888, and my extension directly is 349. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, Brian, and I look forward to helping you out with your purchase.